Hey guys, this is Tarunya from Minus Gateway. First of all, I would like to wish you a happy new year and a safe new year. So in today's video, we are going to look at transferring USDT TRC20 token from CoinX to Binance and from Binance to WazirX. So stay tuned for that video.
Hey guys, so we are back. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to withdraw USDT TRC20 protocol token to Binance and from Binance to WazirX. So transferring USDT from Binance to WazirX is not a mandatory process. You can even sell those TRC20 tokens uh, of USDT in Binance itself through the P2P model. But in this case, since P2P, I find it personally not very efficient, and it is sometimes difficult to get buyers as well, and the asking price is a little way too high. So what I generally do is I follow the step of selling that in the selling those USDT in the exchange and then withdrawing it into my bank account through WazirX. So without any further delays, let's begin. So in this video, if you look, I have my CoinX exchange account. So I see you have USDT here. So I'll click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, so this is going to give you a warning saying that these are the type of protocols that are supported. So what you need to do is click on got it and select TRC20. If you look, TRC20 has got the lowest transfer fees from one exchange to another or from one account to another. So I will be using TRC20 token. So one crucial step after this is that you need to go into Binance, okay, and go to your wallets. And in the wallets, what you need to do is you need to go into your Tether USDT. You have to select that coin and click on deposit here. Once you click on deposit, it will select USDT, and from there, here the most important step is you need to select TRX or the TRC20 protocol. So this is a very important step, guys, because if you select any other protocol here, you will end up losing your money or crypto. So please do keep this in mind, especially when you're doing a transfer from CoinX to Binance. Please do keep this step in mind, and please select TRX TRC20 token, and you can copy this address to the clipboard. Once you select that, put it in the withdrawal address section, right? And once that is done, it will populate here. So if you look, I do not have any USDT here at this point of time, but I will show you my withdrawal records. If you look, I have withdrawn about 6 US dollars. That is a total of $7 that was withdrawn. So out of that, $1 got deducted as fees, and also I did a withdrawal just a short while ago for about $15. That is totally $16. Out of that, $1 got deducted as withdrawal fees. So once you go back to your Binance wallet, you can see the same transactions reflecting here, and it has completed the block confirmation. So once that is done, you can go back to your wallet and go back to your spot wallet, right? From there, you can actually transfer this to WazirX. So how do you do that? So what you need to do is, if you look at the left hand corner of your screen towards the middle, you will see an option called WazirX. So what you need to do is click on WazirX. Okay, once that is done, it will say the from wallet will show a spot wallet to WazirX and the coin section here. So what you need to do is you can select or type in USDT. It will show me the available crypto that is here. So what I would want to do is, let's say I want to transfer about, for example, let's take 2 USDT. Click on confirm. It's going to ask me for a verification code on my mobile number. So I'm going to enter that in here. So once that is done, it'll ask me for an email verification code. I will have that sent to my email address as well. So once I populate that, let me enter that here. So okay, and also it will ask me for a Google Authenticator code. So I need to do that. So I'm going to click on submit. And it will say that transfer is submitted. And let's take a look at my WazirX wallet to see. Right, let me go to the sell section. See, if you look, I had 5 USDT here and now it has become 7. So it is actually added to my wallet. So I can from here sell this USDT if I need to, but I'm not going to sell it as of now. I'm just going to hold it. So this is how you transfer from CoinX to Binance and Binance to WazirX. As mentioned earlier in this video, it is not necessary that you need to transfer it to WazirX to withdraw your funds. But like I mentioned, while trying to sell it in P2P, you do not get a lot of buyers. So instead, I prefer selling it directly on the exchange. And from the exchange, I would, once the coins are sold, I actually prefer withdrawing it to my bank account. So if I need some urgent cash or something of that sort, this is the method I typically use to withdraw money. So I know it is a little bit of a lengthier process, but I find this convenient for me to do it. So you can follow the same process, or you can sell your USDT in Binance through P2P as well. That should not be a problem. So this is all I have as of now for this particular video. If you like my content, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I have also put in all the referral links for CoinX, Binance, and WazirX in the description below. You can sign up through them if you don't have an account. And it is not mandatory that you need to use my referral link. You can actually go to WazirX directly and register there as well. So by using my referral link, it will benefit me as well. That is the only difference between signing up directly and using my referral link. So apart from that, nothing else I have for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please do like, share, and subscribe. And you guys stay safe, take care, and God bless. Thank you.